Hello students, today in our class we discuss about some of the more questions regarding our sociology optional. The today question for discussion is examine science and technology as an agent of social change. We all know that today scientific inventions creates our life more comfortable. We live in an era of technology. Today, the 20th century is the era of the technology, and the technology creates our life very comfortable. Technology provides innovation and inventions in each and every segment of life. If we consider study, today with the help of the various sites, we get a good quantity of material as per our requirement. Earlier, when the technology is not there, we are being facing various problems in our day-to-day basic comforts of life. But with the span of the changes of the technology, now the technology hits the people's life in each and every segment. If we consider study, if we consider agriculture. Second, agriculture also changes with the help of the scientific inventions and technologies. Today, with proper amount of information available to the farmers in the form of the Kisan call centers is being there, proper guidance regarding the agriculture is being provided to the farmers, good use of seeds, pesticides is being there. So the productivity of the agriculture is also being raised. Third thing, with the inventions and the innovations that we have today in each and every sector, for example, a bank, which is a part of our day-to-day life, like with the help of the ATMs and sort of the POS machines and other inventions in the banking like e-banking and all, provide a comfortable mode to the individuals in each and every segment. Science and technology, it's all about a greater inventions for the mankind. If we compare our life with the past, earlier there is no sort of the technological advancement is being there as in today's modern arena. We have each and everything with the help of the mobile phones and all, that today life is so much having a comfort base as comparison with the past. So today we can say that science and the technology is a great agents of the social change. With the help of the technology, it creates our life more and more comfort, and with a lot of inventions day by day, the human civilization and the development is more accelerated towards the path of the progress. So at the last, we can say that the science and the technology is an agent of social change. Compare it from the past at this present moment of time, the life changes in each and every segment, either related with the individuals, corporates, banking, agriculture. Each and every dimensions from micro level to the macro level will get benefited. Thank you all.